Hi, my name is Sedil with Backyard Orchard Consulting in Pennsylvania. Um, I want to talk today about one of my best apple tree to recommend to grow in any side. If you have if you have room for only one apple tree, and even if you don't have that much room, if you have just 4 by 4, you can still have this apple tree. And I am talking about the livery. This is my favorite apple tree to grow. Um, you can get the livery in different sizes. Even the standard semi dwarf of dwarf. And the reason let me tell you about the reason why I like that apple so much. So to start with, is a disease resistant. So it's really disease resistant. This thing doesn't need to be a spray. I mean, you need to feed the soil in order to have a healthy soil for the tree, and that's gonna make it even better. But it's a very disease resistant. It's pollinate other apple if you have another ones. But if you have room only for one apple tree, that's the guy to go because it's self pollinate. So meaning you don't need a second tree to cross pollinate. This thing, it'll be fine by itself. It's better if you have a second tree, but still, if you only have room for one, go with livery. That's a really good snacking. It's not too big. It's a good flavor. Um, it's one of my favorite apple tree to recommend for people to grow around here. See you the next time.